Namaskaram, my divine family, and welcome to Panchaport, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpath trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Amalvi Soul Stars, Meghna Oswal, welcoming you all for the Mokshpath reading of health that is from 31st March to 6th April 2025. This week, the fire element brings energy, transformation, motivation, and purification, but also challenges like stress and frustration. April brings a surge in physical energy, making a good time to exercise, movement, and active routines. Fire dominance causes digestive issues such as acidity, indigestion, or inflammation. Pay attention to your diet. Avoid excessive intake of spicy and fried foods. With the rising temperature, there is a tendency towards dehydration, skin rashes, or headaches. There are the chances that there is a rise in anger, stress, and frustration. Sometimes you may get easily irritated or impatient. Cooling foods and proper hydration can help you balance excess heat. Eat food that cools your body. Engage yourself in moderate exercise such as swimming or yoga instead of intense workout. Stay calm, take care of your health, and embrace positive transformation. Wishing you a harmonious and successful week ahead. Thank you.
Namaste Divine Souls. I am Alpa, a Mokshpath reader and expert weekly in Punch Portal program for the period of 31st March to 6th April 2025. Let us dive into the guidance of the Mokshpath board regarding relationships this week. Right now is a powerful time for relationships, whether with yourself, family, friends or clients. The Mokshpath board predicts lots of joy this week for relationships. Here is how to make the most of it. Strengthen bonds. Spend quality time with loved ones and appreciate their presence. Welcome new connections. Be open to fresh relationship that brings positivity. Give space to grow. Let relationships evolve naturally without control. Engage and celebrate. Host gatherings or simply enjoy moments with others. Boost professional ties. Strengthen clients' relationships and expand your network. This is the time to connect, evolve and enjoy the beauty of relationships. So, have a joyful week ahead. Thank you.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshpath. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality and growth, then Mokshpath will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Namaste everyone, I am Lakshita, your Mokshapatam reader, bringing you guidance for the week of March 31st to April 6th, 2025. This week's energy focuses on overcoming struggles in spiritual connection, feeling disconnected from your higher self, difficulty embracing spiritual experiences, and emotional overflow blocking your inner desires. With the current energy, you may find it hard to align with your spiritual growth or express yourself creatively in spiritual practices. If emotions feel overwhelming, pause, reflect, and reconnect with your inner self. rather than resisting them. Guidance for you. Let go of rigid expectations. Spirituality is a flowing journey. Try meditation, journaling, chanting, or any practice that resonates. Connect with your mentors or spiritual guides for deeper insights. Pay attention to signs, dreams, and intuitive messages. Embrace nature and gratitude. Spend time outdoors and appreciate the present moment. Trust the process. Your doubts and emotions are guiding you towards growth. Honor your unique path, flow with it, and allow divine energy to support you. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ मीनू, आपकी दोस्त, आपकी साथी. I am an energy therapist and a divination expert. Today I am going to give you the guidance of April first week, which is March 31st to April 6th for your business and profession according to Moksha Board. व्यवसाय और रोजगार की दृष्टि से ये सप्ताह आपका ओवरऑल अच्छा है. बस आपको ये करना है कि जो भी बंधन, ऑब्स्टिकल आपकी प्रगति में बाधक बन रहे थे, उन सब पर निष्पक्ष होकर विचार करना है और कुछ ऐसे तरीके अपनाने हैं जो पहले से ईजियर हो, लाइटर. यानी कुल मिलाकर आप अपने व्यवसाय और रोजगार को जिस तरह पहले कर रहे थे उसके रियलिस्टिक और अनरियलिस्टिक दोनों एस्पेक्ट्स पर विचार करके दोनों को बैलेंस में रख के फ्लेक्सिबल बनाना है. और यदि आप ऐसा कर पाते हैं तो निश्चित ही आपके बिजनेस, आपके व्यवसाय को नई स्पीड, नई गति, नया आयाम मिलेगा. आपकी बिजनेस और प्रोफेशन की ख्याति हवा की भांति दूर दूर तक फैले, इसी कामना के साथ विदा लेती हूँ. मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक नई गाइडेंस के साथ. टिल देन स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड. बाय.
Namaste. A warm welcome to all beautiful people who eagerly await the cosmic guidance of the Mokshpata board every week. I am Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer, bringing for you the reading for the week of 31st March to 6th April 2025 in regard to finance. The board warns us against being influenced by people or unreliable sources that are not in our highest good, for they could be giving us wrong or incomplete information. There is the risk of being misled by people around you, leading to financial losses. It will also lead to feeling of insecurity and stress about stability. It would be in your best interest to consult trusted advisors and adapt to financial strategies from trusted sources or after having done some research. Be cautious against hasty decisions driven by immediate needs and desires, and also do not overspend on unnecessary luxury items. This is the time to practice budgeting to control impulsive spending. To sum it up, the guidance from the board suggests reviewing financial goals and introducing small changes and ensuring decisions are based on complete and accurate information. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming weeks.
That is all for this week, and I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you, and see you all next week once again.